In order to format the USB drive that you want to record the data from the HMI panel, for the first step you go to File and you're saving as whatever program that you have on the current system. After saving as the current program, you're going to the File and opening the format program that is being sent to you by Sterlitech. Once the program is being added to the Crimson software, from the link you are uploading the program to the HMI panel. Once the program is being uploaded to the HMI panel using a USB drive, you're connecting your USB drive to the HMI panel. Once it is connected, press the format USB and the USB drive should be formatted by now. So taking it out and getting back to the Crimson software, going to File, Open, and you're loading back the program that you had initially on the machine. I'm going to the link and updating it back to the original shape of the program.
Yeah, plug it in.